Hi dear viewers, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
ওয়েস্টার্ন টিউটোরিয়ালের পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা।
It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle.
Dear viewers, আমরা আপনাদের সামনে এসেছি নতুন সংযোজন। Please have a look.
I am Othoi. I am a student and 17 years old. My father's name is Shafiqul Islam. He is a government employee. And my mother's name is Ratna Begum. She is the homemaker. I have three brothers. My parents love me too much. I want to be a magistrate in future. Please pray for me. That's all. Bye.
Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy. Have a good time. Good luck. Bye.